Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to move frame by frame in After Effects. In last tutorial, we make a shape layer to 3D layer. If you want to see how to make it, we can find the tutorial in this channel. Now, if you want to move the time indicator frame by frame, we can use shortcuts. For example, I move the time indicator to right. I use Ctrl right arrow to move to right frame by frame. If we press Ctrl left arrow, we can move the time indicator to left frame by frame. The alternative, we can use page down to move to right frame by frame. Page up to move to left frame by frame. So this is how we can move frame by frame in After Effects. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.